Sanibonani babukeli emakhaya kanti lo umlungisi Zwelihle kumede khona la kwi-channel yakho oyithandayo nedume kakhulu iMlula TV. Njengoba uhlala wazi ke nawe emlaleli okanye mbukele ekhaya ukuthi kule channel sihle siniphethele indaba ezishisayo nezimnandi kakhulu. Nanzi ke zanamhlanje siniphathele zona mayelana noNkunzi uzalo owaziwa njengoMasoja Msiza. Semakhulu amahebezi kakhulukazi kwi-social media lapho kubikwa khona ukuthi uMasoja Msiza okanye uNkunzi akasekho emhlabeni njengoba ake wambandakanyeka engozini yemoto. uNkunzi ozalo useqinisekisile ukuthi yena akafile, usadla anhlamvana and asazophila isikhathi eside. Lokhu kusho ekhasini lakhe la Facebook, waphinde futhi wasenda nevideo okukhombisayo ukuthi impela lensizwa isekhona, isaphila, sazoqhubeka siyibone ihaya inkondlo, sazoqhubeka siyibone futhi nakumabona kude kuzalo yenze idume ngazo. Nayi ivideo ke eposte uMasoja Msiza aqinisekisa ukuthi yena asaphila ngomusa kaNkulunkulu. Cela uyithokozele. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe bese uyakhomenta kwi-comment section ngaphansi. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Mina sengihembe.
Hi family of supporters and colleagues, as well as people who love our work on television. I'm saying this is Masoja Msiza, also known as uNkunzi, also known as The Voice. I'm alive, well and kicking. It's through the mercy of God. I'm aware that there are malicious rumors that are spreading like wildfire. They are escalating to ballooning proportions. But all I can say is that it's the work of the envious, the jealous, and haters. Haters don't really hate you. They hate themselves because you represent what they wish to become. You know, winners focus on winning and losers focus on winners. So let us focus on what we do best and keep on doing our best. To the people who've been hurt, I'm saying, show them the video. I'm alive, I'm well, through the mercy of God. Angels east, angels west, and north.